Hey, how you doing? So, today we're going to take the unboxing review at Bytes Charging Pad. A charge pad. Charger pad? Yeah. So, what you get in here, let me zoom in and focus a little better. So, you get a wall charger, right there. And you get the protection, so a little charger block protector. And then, of course, you get your cable protector right there. So, yeah. And it's made by Tzumi. So, yeah. Looks to be pretty good, right? How much does it cost? 9 something, so about 10 out of price range. 97 or something over at Walmart. So yeah. Of course, they have the website down here, which is actually they don't have their website on here, which is kind of weird. But I have their website, so definitely down below in the description there'll be that link to click on their website to go check out. This part and all the other parts that they sell there. So yeah, Bytes Charge Pad. Keep your cables protected and connected. Big Byte covers wall charger, so Big Byte, and cable. Little Byte covers lightning cable. They say lightning cable, but really, it doesn't have to be the Apple lightning cable. It could be, a Type C cable. It could be, a Type Mini cable, for your little Android phones. And, anything else, like weather charging and stuff, So, it says lightning cable, which everyone knows, hey, a lightning cable, that's, an Apple product charging cable. No, anything that's a cable, like this, it'll work with, okay? So, yeah. So, I don't know why they say lightning cables, but, yeah. So, cable protector helps reduce cable breakage, universal compatibility, helps keep cable securely inserted, insert cable into the slit underneath, secure dot connection into the open. So yeah, pretty simple. Now these little cable bites, they're kind of different. I mean, they kind of look the same, stuff. But this one is, of course, made by Tzumi, and this one is made by iWorld. So yeah, two different companies, but same thing. For one, I personally love these cable bites. They're a little cute, little kawaii, they look nice. They identify whose cable is whose, but do they help, keep your cables from like fraying? Like as you can see, this one brand new out of the box, and it's always starting to fray over here. Like, look, right there, it's coming undone. It's fraying. It should look just like this one on this side right here. And yeah, brand new. Just took it out of the box, and you can see it's always starting to, and it's already got that little bent in there like that. So let's open it up, and I'll show you how to put it on there to protect it and stuff. Definitely, for like the $2.99 price range that these usually go for a single one, definitely worth it. I know they come out with a 4-pack, not 4-pack. I mean a 2-pack for $4. So about $4, $5 price range. You could get 2 of them. Are these worth it? Are these a godsend? For your phones to charge the phones and tablets and stuff. Oh yeah. Definitely. Because in my house, my family, they don't know how to keep their cables nice. I mean, I have cables like this that, I can keep them for like a year or so, in and out, put it into things, charging multiple devices, and they're perfectly fine. My family, not even 2 days, not even half a day, and it's already bent, and wires exposed. I'm like, my God, what are you doing? You just, put it in and put it out of your device, It's like, seriously, what are you doing to get all bent and chewed up and wires exposed? So yeah, my house, my family, they definitely need these to use these. But yeah, anyway, let's get this open and I'll show you how it works. Now this little character, I believe, is a alligator. I could be mistaken, and it could be a crocodile. But I'm pretty sure it is a alligator. Judging because, you know, the square mouth from here. Well, I believe a quad is a little bit more pointed mouth. But, you know, long and narrow. That's what I mean. I don't know, but, you know, on the website, it'll definitely tell you, you know, who it is. A quad or alligator. I know they sell mice, they sell lions, they sell polar bears, tigers. What else? The only one that they don't sell there, which is a shame, it's a little unicorn. I think, you know, the rainbow unicorn would have been a nice one to see it in a pack like this, because it's like a rainbow unicorn protecting, you know, your charging block, and also get, you know, it for your cable, because, you know, right now 2-pack cable only. So if the camera was in a 2-pack, you know, cable and charger, and had a big unicorn that protects your charger, I think, you know, that would be pretty awesome. But who knows? Maybe in time. Maybe if enough people comments in the comment section, be like, "Hey, Tzumi, what the f, man? You know, you came up with the little unicorn in the 2-pack just for one part of the charging cable, but now we need it in the bid form to protect the charging block. You know, the little charging block." So let me try getting that straightened out, which I really don't want to do because, yeah, how that's frayed. But what you do is you just kind of split them open like a hot dog bun. Yeah, that's like the best way to describe it. Just split them open like a hot dog bun. Just kind of like pretend you stuff a hot dog in there, or, you know, a sausage, or like one of those Italian combos. When, you know, you got that Italian beef and that sausage with the red sauce on there. That's good. Just line it up, and you can pull it back, or you can push it in there. Now it is going to spread a little bit, but not too much, and, you know, that's actually a little too much in there. But there, it's in there. So as you can see, it takes that bend and straightens it out. So yeah, and it lays flat, you know, like this. So yep. Now on this other end, standard thing, big boy version of it, put it out. As you can see, standard. So, you know, give me this. You can put it in like that. Get that out. So how do we do this? Same thing. Hot dog bun it. Make sure that's all the way in there. Now before I sink this one down in there, what I like to do is put it in, and see, it won't fit that way. Otherwise the thing will be upside down like this. So now I gotta turn this. Now it's gonna be right side up. So when I connect it, like, you know, this, it's actually gonna be in there right. Otherwise it'll be like, nope, upside down. It's not gonna charge. And then kind of synced it up there. Now as these, I noticed they don't actually, you know, fully go all the way in. As you can see, there's a little gap, but it is all the way installed. And yeah, so there is going to be a little bit of gap, but pretty much what this does is just keep this cable wire from, you know what I'm talking about. When you put it into a block, it keeps it from drooping down like this. So it kind of keeps it up and over, as you can see it. Because if we just put it in like this, let's see if we keep it. You know what I'm saying? If we just put this into like this, it's going to droop. It's going to cause that bend, just like how it did on this side. So it's going to kind of straighten that cable out. Of course, it looks a little goofy that, you know, you got like this end that's sticking out a little bit. You got this that's not completely synced up and covering it, no matter how much you keep pushing on it. But is it in? Yes. Is it going to protect it? Yes. And then, I think what's kind of cool is that, if you have to quickly disconnect it, like say for example, you just want to leave this part home, and you just want to take these little fellers, in your car, put it into the car one, take it out, put it in it at home. So, yep, there's all that stuff going on. So yeah, like I said, $9.99, about 10-hour price range for a cable Brit protector and a cable protector, 2-pack, made by Tzumi. So yeah, not that bad a price. Definitely, I recommend picking them up to save your cables. They're, a cable light set. Don't know why cables don't come with them already pre-installed. That'd be like awesome. But anyway, yeah. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.